Hello little readers. Today let's read about a happy family. Are you excited?
Yippee!
Let's read with Little Learning Loop. Let's go. My family. It's your turn to read now. I have a small family. Let's see if you can read. We live together in one house. It's your turn to read now. My father goes to work every day. Let's see if you can read. My mother teaches at a school. I have one little sister. Let's see if you can read. We play and share our toys. It's your turn now. My grandma tells me stories. It's your turn. My grandpa plays games with me. Let's see if you can read. We eat dinner together at night. It's your turn to read. We talk and laugh at the table. It's your turn now. I love my family. It's your turn now. Good job, kids. I hope you had an amazing reading session. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Little Learning Loop to continue with more such reading sessions.
Yippee!
Thank you for watching.